Happy Sabbath, families and friends. You see, our subject today is in the world, anchored in Christ. See, have you ever felt this tension as a Christian? If you pull away from the world, people say you are out of touch. But if you blend in, heaven asks, where is your witness? See, Joshua faced this same tension at the end of his life. Israel had conquered the land, but Joshua knew the greatest danger wasn't enemies outside, it was influence inside. So he warned them. He said, cleave unto the Lord your God. Joshua 23 verse 8. Notice, Joshua didn't say, never meet other nations. He said, don't cling to them. Because the danger isn't contact, it's attachment. See, Jesus echoed this balance when he prayed, I do not ask you to take them out of the world, but that you keep them from evil. John 17 verse 15. See, Jesus didn't call us to isolation. He never called us to assimilation. He called us to transformation. See, we are meant to live in the world, but not to let the world live in us. Ellen White puts it this way: Christ did not refuse to mingle with the world, but he did not conform to its practices. You see, so here's the simple test. If my faith is my faith shaping my relationship, or are my relationship shaping my faith? Because what you cling to will shape who you become. The world will always invite you to fit in. Jesus invites you to stand firm so others can see him clearly. Live in the world, love the world, but belong fully to Christ. God bless.